In the heart of the Florida Keys, countless wild birds face peril, injured, displaced, and vulnerable. At the Florida Keys Wild Bird Rehabilitation Center, our mission is clear: to rescue, rehabilitate, and release native and migratory wild birds back into their natural habitats. Every bird's flight is a testament to resilience, a story of survival made possible by compassion and care. For those birds that cannot return to the wild, our sanctuary offers a safe haven, a place where they can live out their lives with dignity. Through education, we foster a deeper understanding and respect for these magnificent creatures, ensuring future generations are inspired to protect them. But we can't do it alone. Your support is vital. Together, we can keep them flying. Visit keepthemflying.org to learn more.